Hello, I'm Mihela. Today I'll be talking about a small seabird with a white shoulder. The common sandpiper. The common sandpiper is a small Palearctic wader. Small bicolored sandpiper which often bobs its tail in a distinctively wagtail-like manner. The common sandpiper breeds across most of temperate and subtropical Europe and Asia and migrates to Africa, Southern Asia and Australia in winter. Plain brown with white underparts, distinguished from bulkier and round-headed green sandpiper by a prominent white spur at the shoulder. Found in a variety of wetland habitat, breeds on stony ground along rivers and lake shores, with migrates occurring on muddy and rocky substrates from concrete canal bank to channels in tidal mudflats. Mainly found as singles or in small groups, not in flocks or mixed with other bird species. Their calls are like locally named Podu Silibilla. I have not seen the common sandpiper. You mostly find them in coastal areas. These are pictures of one of our recent trips to Vadua beach. Yet another beautiful beach in Sri Lanka.